Okay, today we'll discuss about SSL implementation, how many days they reduced lifespan, and all the things we will see in detail. This is you can use SSL certificates in the various browsers. See how to view SSL certificate in each browser and what you can learn in this. In this, it seems. See, I will zoom it. In this, more general populating in starting notice SSL expect websites. And I am exciting people to recognize SSL. I am eager to knowledge further beyond the triggering padlock and HTTPS in browser. They're quite more going to within details of an SSL certificate. Okay. In this SSL certificate, validation period and certificate authority and a subject domains and what type of certificate identify information about company operating on the sites. Okay. Certificate content also cover technical aspects such as key usage, CRL information, the signing and hash algorithm, underlying the encryptions. Okay. This information is found within your browser. Clearly, importance of this going to vary person to person. I don't expect everyone to start diving into the certificate of every site they visit. I don't want to raise awareness in this information. How to view the certificate details? Chrome, desktop, mobile, Firefox, and Internet Explorer, Edge, Safari. These are the main browsers. In the browser, there is here, see, and connection is secure, right? You can click here, go to this. This is the certificate details. Globalsign.com. Mobile also save, it will comes. Okay, see, details. And October 7, 2024 to November 6, 2025. 1 year is valid. Organization is Global Sign Organizations. Okay. This is like this in every Firefox also, and everything is same. Firefox, Google Chrome, certificate validate. Under that, details, certificate information, see global sign, organizations, validation. This is example. Okay, if certificate is expired, you can renew the certificate. Otherwise, your website is partially opening. See, SH fingerprint SHA 256 algorithm is most important, most secure 256 algorithm. And iOS, this is Android iOS. iOS also same. Firefox, Firefox see global security under this. Open connection is secure, more information under the security. View certificate. This is SSL certificate. Okay. SHA 256 is more security algorithm. Security hash algorithm. Okay. Internet Explorer also same. Edge also same certificate, but different browser, different types of informations are available. Okay. Now we are going to reduce lifespan lifespan of SSL certificate. See, SSL certificate lifespan reduced to 47 days by 2029. What is meant, what is the, we can discuss in detail. We can discuss in detail. CA means certificate authority voted and reduced lifespan of SSL TLS certificate over next 4 years. Lifespan just 47 days starting in 2029 from certificate. Actually, 1 year is valid. Now 47 days starting in 2029. The CA Group Certificate Authority software vendors, including browser developers and working together, established mainly secure standard digital certificate user internet communication. CA DigiCert Global Sign browser vendors such as Google, Apple, Mozilla, and Microsoft. Earlier, Apple proposed reduced certificate lifespan, which Google, Chrome, Team, and Mozilla endorsed, and the proposal will be gradually reduced lifespan certificate over next 4 years in current 398 days lifespan to 47 days in the March 2029. Currently, 398 days is there. Now in 2029 March onwards, 47 days, it will reduce it. Okay, minimum risk, outdated certificate data, and the and cryptography algorithm, and exposure TLS certificate credentials and running. Okay. Say in this here, this is most important. This, okay, 25 votes for a non-against CA browser form and now ruled shortest lifespan following. From March 15th, 2026, certificate lifespan and DCB will be reduced in 200 days. And next year, under 200 days, and in 2027, 100 days, 2029, 47 days, reduce a lifespan. DCB means domain control validations. Those certificates in 390 days, but majorly certificate authority agree too long 2 days security landscape. That wise it will reduce it. Shorting of life bond introduce manage had large burden people to handle multiple domain expected force frequency revalidation of companies requesting certificate, encouraging automation and ultimate make ecosystem more agile and security. Implement SSL provide ACAME tool. This is latest news. See, 44 minutes ago. This is the most important technical aspirations. Say 44 minutes back, they will release article April 16th. Today is April 16th. 2 to 1 p.m. They released an article. The CA browser norm gradually reduces lifespan. SSL and TLS certificate 47 days over next 4 years. Lifespan gradually reduced 200, 100. March 2020, only 47 days. These are drastic reduction in companies compared to current 398 days over 4 years. See, same thing, domain control validation will be reduced to 200 days. And March 15, 2027, reduced in 100 days. And from March 15, 2029, lifespan only 47 days. DCB will be 10 days. Domain control validation. DCB means domain control validations. Okay. In this, why this change? What is happening in this? Why it will be changing means So there clearly says essential secure online communication and enable encrypted connections, preventing malicious parties from intercepting sensitive data such as password and credit card information. They also verify identity of the website and guarantee you to the information exchange not tampered with. CA Roger Form, the certificate authority, shortened lifespan certificate, minimum risk due to outdated certificate data, reduce the problem with outdated cryptography algorithm, limited exposure to stolen login details, must automate process involving SSL certificate, temporarily need additional management cost for organizations. They will have renewal more often. Certificate renewal more than only 1 week or 10 days. We have renewal the SSL certificate in various domains. This is not a very difficulty, by the way. Various parties already offer solutions. Several cloud providers, encrypted and certificate providers support ACME protocol and switching automated certificate, ultimate ecosystem flexible and secure. Latest article. This is the latest article. What is SSL for domains? We will see. For each domain, there is one SSL certificate is there. These are the cost. These are the cost. Okay. See, this is domain validation certificate. Perfect of a block, easy activated, available 15 minutes or less. No paperwork is needed. Organization validation movie. Base idea secure sites, customer information, login credentials, site owner information, verified certificate authority. You can view the products. You can view the products. This is the instant SSL. $49 per year. Renew $59. Secure brand trust certificate. Organization validate the certificate. We have chart with the live chart also is there. See, in this most important industry to shift to 47 days SSL certificate starting 2026. SSL certificate lifespan reduced from the current maximum of 13 months by 2029. All public SSL certificates 1.5 months maximum validity. See, April 11, 2025. There is approved one article proposal and April aims dramatically reshape and how organization manages digital certificate key and reducing lifespan and baseline requirements. Everything is there clearly. See, certificate lifespan reduced. First 6 months they reduced. 2026 next 3 months. 2027 and 1.6 months reduced. The amount of time certificate renewal reissued per year 398 days, 1 year, 200 days, 200 days, 447 days, 88 certificates of renewals. See, 4.1. Okay. This is the actual thing today. Sets are valid up to 13 months. Next, 2026 up to 6 months. After 2027 up to 3 months. This is the request flow of the reduced lifespans. Okay, and 398 days, 200 days, 100 days, 10 days. Certificate issues March 15th and of 10 days they reduce lifespans. Okay, please be careful among the SSL certificates. Okay, this is the most important SSL certificate. Okay, thank you for watching this. Please share this article to your friends and family members, those who are working in the industry standards. SSL certificate is reducing lifespan. They released an article today, 2 1 p.m. IST. They released one article. Okay, it will reduce at lifespan. The first 200 days in 26th March 2026 and 2027 100 days. 2029 10 days. They reduce the lifespan. Please be careful among the SSL certificate.